Many Defenders are being stolen on a daily basis. I can assure you that this customer has taken every possible precaution to keep this one within his possession. Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Today I've got a Land Rover Defender. It's a 2014 model. Right, this isn't just any Defender. This one came from Urban Automotive. It's also had an animal with an engine swap. It's got a Corvette LS3 engine, V8. It's running about 430 brake horsepower. As you can see, we've also done a full soundproofing treatment to the hood there. That's going to help keep some of that engine noise out of the cabin when he's listening to his audio. Right, I'm going to take you through the array of upgrades we've done to this Defender. First line of defence is the dual zone proximity sensor. This sensor is going to catch anyone loitering around the vehicle, having a look through your windows, trying to see if you left your phone, your keys, your laptop on your seat. Straight away, something like that is going to bark and they'll understand that it's not protected just by a flashing blue LED. Now that you've seen the dual zone proximity sensor in action, I'm now going to show you the tilt and motion sensor. This sensor can protect your wheels from being stolen, stop the truck from being put onto a low loader, stop anyone from dragging it away. So I've employed a criminal today. He's going to attempt to steal the wheels off this vehicle. I know he's got a spanner ready somewhere, but he's going to give it a good try. That's going to send those thieves straight on their way. They're not going to want to mess with this vehicle anymore. Next up is the Omni Sensor. This is an impact and vibration sensor. Protects your vehicle against criminals in the area looking to vandalise your vehicle, whether they want to hit it with a cricket bat, maybe their shoe. Normally give a loud tone to let you know that this vehicle is protected. If the impact or vibration is something which is a bit more extreme, it will send the alarm siren off. The last sensor I'm going to demonstrate for you today is the glass tamper sensor. If someone attempts to break the windows, what you'll get is a very loud siren. So I can recreate the sound of the glass being broken with a set of keys. This will go off even in the attempt to break the window. So even if they didn't quite successfully do it, this will get them going. Upon alarm activation, you get a push notification through your smartphone or your smartwatch. This is going to let you know that your vehicle is being tampered with. You need to get there ASAP. One of my favourite features on this alarm system is being able to remotely start your vehicle. Extremely handy in these cold winter months and warming up the vehicle pre to going to work or something. So one single press of the Clifford remote key, you'll have a couple indicator flashes and then the vehicle will start up. The vehicle is going to stay alarmed as well, so you don't need to worry about anyone taking off in it because it's still secure even when you've used this remote key to start it up. Another awesome feature on this vehicle is the Smart Start system. So through the Viper app, you can go into the Smart Start, swipe up to start your vehicle. It allows you to lock the vehicle, unlock the vehicle. You can pull this up here and even track the vehicle to see of its whereabouts. Clifford's Blackjack's anti-hijacking system is also featured on this vehicle. If in the case a criminal is making away inside your vehicle, he will only be able to drive a safe distance before the vehicle will immobilise itself and sound the alarm. Just in case you thought this vehicle was secure enough, we've actually added a MetaTrak S5 VTS tracker. If your vehicle is started and these keys are not to be present within the vehicle, you will be called by the MetaTrak call centre to let you know someone has started your vehicle. You can remotely immobilise the vehicle through the MetaTrak app. Also, just in case one notification was enough, if your Clifford alarm is going off, MetaTrak will also notify you through a push notification that the alarm is sounding. That's everything for this Defender security video. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. You can check out other content on our YouTube channel. Also, you can check out our Instagram or our Facebook pages. Thanks for watching.